kamot or TL lang. Kamot or TL or kamot kag TL, blue siya, 1 point. Okay? Sa respiration, kung hina ang iya nga hibi or hina iya nga ginhawa, 1 point lang. Okay, so number two guys, ang normal nga mga bata, pag normal nga mga lapsag, pag bata sila o ara, grabe nga hulag, active, spontaneous, 2 points na siya dayon sa activity. Sa pulse guys, kung sobra 100, 2 points agad. Okay, sa grimace, arinaga, damo siya maobra, okay? Pull away, mag-grimace, ang suraya, mahulag, reflex, okay? Naga-ubo, pwede, gapangatsi during suctioning kay, di ba? Siyempre, ginasuction siya. Next is appearance. 2 points, guys, kung pink siya tanan. Okay, sir, paano bi kung itom, ti grabe, pink gijagli dapat. Hindi man, guys, ah. Okay, kung itom siya, ti kung normal yung nga color nga itom gid siya, ti itom gid siya. Basta wala siya ga blue, ah. Wala siya ga lapsi. Okay? Hindi nga pink gid dayan. Are we clear? Crystal clear. Next is normal rate and effort, good cry. Basta nami iyahibi, 2 points dayon. Okay? Sa application, guys, ari di, you're assessing 1 minute UpGar. Guys, tandaan nyo, ang UpGar score diri, or ang UpGar application, basahan nyo ni, tapos i-answeran nyo lang. Ari man ding answer sa dalom. Guys, tandaan nyo ni, kay may mga example sa questions sa exam. Example questions sa exam. So, ara. Na-explain ko naman sa baba, naintindihan nyo na guys, gin-isa-isa lang na di-explain. You have to read and understand lang. Are we clear? Okay? Basta magwa siya sa exam. Okay? Oh, ang score ya di, i-shortcut na lang naton, 8 siya. So karambal kung nagina sa babaw, 7 above or 7 to 10, it's normal. So normal ang baby. Ara lang da, read nyo lang. Okay, it is It is developed and used widely, okay, to screen young children from birth to 6 years of age. Guys, birth halin sang gamay hasta sa 6 years, guys, may ginagamit na kita da. That's your Denver 2. Okay, that's your Denver 2. Assess the child's performance on age-appropriate task. Consists of 1 to 25 tasks. Damo-damo siya task, ginaobra. Okay, may four major areas. Anong four major areas? Tandaan nyo ng apat nga ni. Personal, fine motor, language, gross motor. Guys, ari ang... Sorry, wait lang. Taas sa kanya. Acid. Ari ho. Ba? Ari si Denver 2. Nan. Amo ni si Denver 2. Okay, nan. Ara siya damo-damo siya. So, hindi nyo kinahanglan pag sa uluhod, gid, ang importante na lang. Are. Children assessed on these items pertinent to child's age. Okay, depende sa iya nga edad. May determine relative areas of advancement. Okay, kung nag-advance or na-delay ang bata, amo ni siyang basihan naton. Si Denver 2. Okay, Denver 2 joints. Denver 2 joints ang aton basihan kung nag-advance or nag-delay. Guys, hindi ni siya intelligence test. Ara man nakabutang. The screening is a method of showing that a child can do at a particular age and not an intelligence test. Hindi niya palam-alam ang Denver 2. Amo lang na yung ginagamit para mabalaan kung naubra na sang bata or na-delay or kung saan o yan naubra sa ano nga edad. Okay? Screens for possible problems, however, not a predictor of later development. Okay? Amo na ganing hindi siya intelligence test kag hindi siya ang rason or hindi siya ang ma-predict. Okay? Kaya wala tiya kabalo sang development sang bata. Next, pass, fail, no opportunity, and refusal. Pass kung naubraya ang uh, naubraya ang task. So for example, ari example di wave bye-bye, wave bye-bye o naubraya, pass siya eh. Okay? Ibutang man da kung san o kag mo na, sano. Next is failed kung wala inobra, of course. No opportunity kung wala siya nagaan opportunity nga obrahon. Okay? Next is refusal kung wala gin ubra sang bata or gin refuse ya ang ulubrahon. Kung wala gin manubra ang task. Okay? Tandaan kay magwa siya sa exam, si Denver 2. Next interpretation of Denver 2, advance pass an item completed to right age of line. Okay? Sa age of line, kung naubraya, are 5 years old, dire. 1 to the blah blah blah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 na di, mga lubrahon niya na di. Okay? O, name four colors. O, ari, o, sa number, sa 4. O, name four na, kung naubraya. Ari, guys, typical compliance, interest in surroundings, fearfulness, attention span, blah, blah. Okay, advance, evaluate, pass an item completely right of the age of the line. Okay, naubraya sa iya nga ipang idadon, kung advance siya, of course. Evaluate and fail and refuse items to determine number of cautions or delayed items. So, i-check natin kung na-delay, kung gina-refuse siya or na-fail siya, it might be nga na-delay. Interpret the test based on findings, normal, suspect, okay, two or more cautions or more delays. Normal, wala siya delay, and maximum of one caution. Isa lang gid ang caution lang gid. Okay, schedule follow-ups, repeat tests, and or follow up the appropriate healthcare provider. Okay, next, CATS index or independence in activities of daily living. Guys, si CATS index, ba? Magawa siya sa exam, kaya di ba hamba ko nagina ang ADL, Activities of Daily Living. Dasig ko. Sorry gid guys, sorry gid. Okay, kaya wala, may gisapak sa konti, ginadasig ko na lang. Ahay, sorry gid. The CATS Index of Independence in Activities of Daily Living, okay, referred to CATS ADL, is the most appropriate instrument to assess functional status as a measurement of the patient's ability to perform activities of daily living independently. ADL, guys, activities of daily living, pero independently. Meaning, kung kaya ni patient nga siya lang isa. Okay, CATS index. Tandaan nyo, index, independently. Index, letter I, independently. Siya lang isa. O healthcare workers typically use the tool to detect problems in performing abilities of daily living and to plan care accordingly. The index ranks adequacy of performance in the six functions: bathing, dressing, toileting, transferring, continence, feeding. Again, the client is scored with yes, no for independence in each of the six functions. Scores 6 guys, kung 6 full function. Okay, kung 4 lang moderate impairment. Okay, 2 is severe functional impairment, hindi agad maubra ang anom. Okay, amo ni ang anom. Cat's ADL, blah blah blah. The Cat's ADL tool assess basic activities of daily living. Aran nagliwat-liwat lang gid. It does not assess more advanced, same lang gyapon, activities of daily living. Cats develop other scale for instrumental activities of DL, of daily living, such as heavy housework, shopping, managing finances, telephoning. Barthel. Guys, si Barthel, Activities of Daily Living, Barthel Index consists of 10 items that measure persons' daily functioning, especially the activities of daily living and mobility. The higher the score, number dependent, do same lang man sila, independence. Mayari ko din mo Barthel. Ngi. Okay. Guys, magwa man si Barthel. Okay, tandaan man sa exam, magwa man. Sa Barthel, aring 10 ni kabilog, amo ni ang guideline niya. Ay, lang 7 na niya na ano. Okay. Hay. Marcel. Ano man ang tabo man? Marcel, be. Barthel. Sorry. Barthel Index. Ang pulo kabilog to. Okay. Feeding, grooming, cats. Ari si Bartel di sa dalom. Gali. Okay. Very good. Guys, si Cats kita anay. Ari si Catsonan. Ara. I-check yung patient o bathing. Kaya ya paliguan iya nga self. Uh, kaya nga wala bulig. Okay, genital area or disabled extremity. 1 point na dada yun. Okay? Kung wala, like kinana niya pabulig para magligo o 0 points. Sa dressing, parehas lang sa toileting, transferring continence, sa pag-ihi, kung kaya, okay, mag-ihi kang musuon nga siya lang, 1 point. Kung nanlan bulig, 0. O feeding. Ang wala na, read nyo lang ni guys. Okay? Si Barthel, amo man sa feeding 0, 5. If needs help cutting, spreading butter, etc. or requires modified diet, feeding, bathing, grooming, dressing bowels, etc. Same lang man sila, 0, 5, 10. Ang scoring galing niya, 0, 5, 10. So, pulo sila kabilog, 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 na. Kung 10 nga kaya nila, ang score is 100. Kung pila lang, kung 5 lang, 5 lang yung score eh. 0 to 100 ang scoring. Okay, check for understanding. Please answer. Thank you, guys.